Never buy another child's toy again, because there's a secret you probably never knew. It's simple, but it's incredibly effective. It can even save you money without sacrificing your child's playtime. Okay, here's a fun way to make a jet plane out of just one piece of paper, a simple toy that will make your kids super happy without having to buy anything. Simply take a sheet of paper, then fold it in half to form a straight line as a guide. Next, fold the two top sides toward the center to form a pointed tip, like the nose of an airplane. Continue folding the right and left sides again to create a more streamlined and aerodynamic shape. Then, fold the fuselage in half and form the wings by folding each side down. Now, fold the paper according to my instructions, as in this video. Pay close attention to each step, as each fold will determine the final shape of our jet plane. Start by folding the center as a guide, then follow each fold neatly for a precise, easy-to-fly result. Don't rush. Enjoy the process with your child, because that's where the fun is. Once you're done, try flying it and see how your homemade airplane glides through the air. It's so much fun, isn't it? From simple paper, we can create a toy that's not only economical, but also full of memories. Now, follow the instructions as I've outlined them. Pay close attention to each step and ensure every fold is neat for optimal results. There's no need to rush. The important thing is to enjoy the process while having fun with your kids. Follow along from start to finish. And see how a simple piece of paper can transform into a cool jet plane ready to fly. Once it's finished, try flying it and experience the thrill. Guaranteed, the kids will be delighted and you'll be satisfied too, knowing you can make your own toy without having to buy one. Okay, here's the result. It's really cool, isn't it? From a simple piece of paper, we managed to make a jet plane that can fly and is a fun toy for kids. Besides being economical, this activity is also full of creativity and fun togetherness. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you can try it yourself at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other fun ideas.